Hello, my name is Dr. Kevin Pecca, and I'm a Blair upper cervical chiropractor in West Orange, New Jersey. Today, I want to talk about why upper cervical chiropractic is so good with resolving post-concussion syndrome. Now, if you are suffering with post-concussion syndrome, you might have been told that there's no cure, that you might have to live with it for the rest of your life. Take it from me, I suffered with post-concussion syndrome for 4 years until I found the answer, and upper cervical chiropractic was that answer. It completely saved my life. I was in multiple Western medicine offices, multiple neurologists, multiple medical doctors, neuropsychiatrists, everything. If there was an option for me to get better, I was trying it. The other doctors, they gave me seizure medication because I told them I had hand tremors. I was in severe pain. They put me on painkillers, and I told them I was depressed because all these symptoms were just affecting my mood and overall well-being, so they put me on painkillers. And I knew that these were only masking my symptoms. They weren't going after the root cause of the problem. So today I want to go over upper cervical care and post-concussion syndrome and how you can get your life back. Okay, so this is an upper spine monocle, upper neck model, and we focus on these two bones, C1, the atlas, C2, the axis, and C3 can be involved many times. Now, these three bones, they house the brainstem, and that is the control center to our entire body. Now, what's very important here is these two bones weigh a couple ounces, and there's no disc space in here to protect this area and keep it in place. So it's a very vulnerable area with the most neurological significance. Over the course of our lifetime, it's very easy for these bones to slip out of place. It could happen as early as being pulled out of the birth canal too hard, falling out of the crib when you were younger, falling off the monkey bars at recess, and then you have other issues where you have whiplash accidents, sports injuries. I even see some people that don't have major head injuries or sports injuries, and their upper cervical spine is definitely out of place, and it's contributing to a lot of neurological issues they're suffering from. So these bones weigh a couple ounces, and there's no disc space here, so it's very easy for them to slip out of place. And when they do lock out of place, it cuts off the nerve flow and blood flow to the rest of the body, and the brain can't communicate with the spinal cord and heal itself. Now, this is a huge problem because our brain is not getting enough nerve flow and blood flow and oxygen up there, which can cause headaches, blurred vision, dizziness, chronic fatigue, migraines, tinnitus, pulsation in the ears, hand tremors when it becomes locked out of place. Now, how does upper cervical chiropractic fix these problems? So, we take very precise three-dimensional x-rays of your neck. We visualize your neck in a 3D image, and we figure out which segments are involved and which direction they went out of place. And we measure your own joint angles down to the exact millimeter. So there's no guesswork. Everything is very specific and tailored exactly to the patient. It's extremely individualized and specific. Nobody gets the same adjustment because everybody's had a different trauma. Everybody's neck is different. You have to be as precise as possible to get these symptoms to dissipate and go away. There's no twisting, cracking, or pulling on the neck in upper cervical chiropractic. It's very light, gentle, and precise. It's just a light little tap on the neck. We put everything back into alignment down to the exact millimeter. And so what we say is holding is healing. So our goal is to give you one neck adjustment and have it hold weeks to months to years. Now, when these bones start to stay in place, you get the proper nerve flow and blood flow to the rest of the body. The brain can communicate with the spinal cord and heal itself. And that's where you see the miracles happen. I myself suffered with post-concussion syndrome. The first 3 vertebrae in my neck were completely out of whack, and nobody looked at it until I was in an upper cervical chiropractic office. It completely saved my life, completely gave me my life back, and that's why I do this work. And We see a lot of post-concussion cases in our office get completely resolved. Our patients have been everywhere. Blood work, CAT scan, MRIs, all came back negative, fine. And people are searching for these symptoms to resolve because it's extremely debilitating to live with. My name is Dr. Kevin Pecca. I have an office located in West Orange, New Jersey. We offer free consultations to see if you are a prime candidate for upper cervical care, and we would love to see you in the office soon. Be well, be healthy, have a great day.